Oh Lord, guys, look at it, look at it, look at it. They say the sleeve never deceives. Bruh, come on, Charlotte Hornets, come on, baby. I cannot be wrong on this one. Yes, let's go. Hold on, move, bro. Why these guys? Really? Hey, don't cramp my style, suit jacket. Bro, oh my good God. Bro, what a banger for the winter time. NBA patch right there. You got the most athletic insect in all of the animal kingdom. The Honette. Dude. Oh, big old bird dookie stain on it. I'm a freaking star boy on the sleeve. This is a gift from God. Well, look what we got here, baby. Breakfast of Champions, that hood life cereal, money, cars, and jewels. Wow, how typical with the giant bleach stain. Come on, man. Oh, Blimford, did you read? Javatka? I can't read. Guys, we got Lil Kinky's garment right here. The exclusive tripping tie-dye tee. Tripping. You dig? I think that's tripping in a drug sense, but hey, we tripping in a price sense. Except not here. Everything $2, boy. Right back door is the 1995 NBA World Champions. The Houston Pocket Rockets tee right here. A clean gem. Oh my God, this store is just overflowing right now. And dude, this video just got started. What's behind them guitar strings though, mama? Oh. Guys, look at this. Is that nappy Big Bird feathers? Nope. It is that Polo Sport. Put that thing in sport. I'm stepping out the shower looking like a goddess.
This is a certified hood classic.
Oh man, that is that ignorant embroidery. Wow. Hey, I don't promote drugs, but if we gone off anything, we gone off that LL Bean. I feel like Moses just parting the Red Sea in this thing. Old Glory brand? Coming through, dude. Taste the textures on this vintage rainbow of a polo. Wow, is that tortoise bone on the buttons? No, sir, but it's a dope shirt. Yo, this is stupid fire. Guys, duck head is the best head. And look at this. It got a bunch of tiny ducks embroidered all over this. Oh, I think I got to, dude. I think I got to. Oh, hello. Mistletoe madness. My boy Snoopy was getting that love. Hey, yo. Is that one dude from Breaking Amish that just dipped off the farm and hopped on a Harley. That is a super funny shirt, bro. I think I might have to. I don't know, though. I don't know. Oh, no. This cannot be real life. Bro, what?
I hate a goofy especially.
Boy just plucking the hat off his dog's scalp. Uh-oh. Got that distressed inner elbow. Super sick Disney Store exclusive. Oh man, handmade. Shout out the boy Travi. Oh, roast my cactus. It's lit. Oh my God. Guys, look at that ribboning. I've seen this twice. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let's check, let's check. There it is. There it is, baby. Hold up. Crafted with pride in the USA. The Carhartt green Aztec jacket. Bro, these are my favorite. I actually sold mine. Mine had a hood on it though, and I really kind of regret it. And this forest green color is even cleaner. Dude, these go for like bread. Like, holy crap, they go for sandwich making material. Dude, oh man, I got to. I mean, it's an XL, which kind of sucks. I mean, I am tall, so a lot of people tell me that. Like, they'll come up to me in person and be like, oh, I thought you would be like short. The fuck? And people have been commenting that I've been getting fat. Bro, I'm skinny as shit. Like, what the fuck? Oh, I just got a bird now. But I got a bird now. No, but seriously, all jokes aside, this is just an amazing garment. I gotta rock it at least a couple times. Good God. All right, guys, so we jumped out at the family thrift on Durham. Man, all you guys go check it out if you're in Houston, but now we're at the Salvation Army family store, and I figured I'd stop in here because I need some furniture for the brand new house. Shout out to everyone, by the way, who showed love on that video, and just who shows love continuously. It really does mean the world to me, and I couldn't be here without you guys. This is why I come in here. Just look at all of the furniture. Oh my God. This couch is absolutely amazing. A caramel delight. Dude, there's just so much just fantastic furniture in this store. It's unreal.
Oh, unreal.
Like they have a wooden pineapple. What? Guys, I'm not even kidding you. The home decor section is so on point in this store. Like, just look at the pelican with string legs. Also, dude, they know duck head is the best head. But this right here, you guys know. I come to the Thrift to cop the pot. You have this sick painted pot that I definitely gonna put some plants in. I think it's supposed to be like a decorative vase, but I turn anything and everything into planters when given the opportunity. So I definitely am going to do so on this. It got these little women's with the hats on, Peruvian, amazing. Bro, hey, stores are hitting like nobody's business today. Size small, $7. You know what time it is.
Seven, bro.
Houston Astros all embroidered Nike jersey. Got the whole state of Texas just flexing on the pectoral. Oh, National Eagle looking lethal. It's about that time, man. It is about that time. This is a beautiful little garment right here. And Merry Early Christmas. I came in here for houseware and I'm leaving with clothes. They got the Adidas Spanish away jersey. This is like, I think probably like a 06 jersey, if I'm correct. Super old school. Just so dope. All right, y'all, I'm about to skirt out of here, but you know, one time for the one time, I had to check the junior section and I got kicks for my future accident. Dude, these Air Force Ones are so clean. Like normally I would turn these shoes into planters, but like, look how clean these little dudes are. Bro, these are fantastic. Also, these squiggly lights, those are sick. Good job, Salvation Army. Yeah, I gotta grab these dudes. And then the Thunder 14s. Come on, man. Make it rain on the game. All right, guys. And we are out of there. Yeah, dude, I hit a fat lick like this store was an ice cream cone. But yeah, shout out Salvation Army. They had a bunch of furniture, none that really appealed to me too much. But I guess we'll pick up this video another day while I'm traversing into more thrifts. We'll see though. We'll see. All right, LOL. So obviously it is not a different day. It is the same day, and I was just driving home and was like, yo, I might as well stop by one more store since I was driving by it, and Lord, I am blessed. Look at this. Look at this. As if today couldn't get any better, man. You got the giant check on this Nike V-neck pullover. Very interesting abstract colorway, but look at the back of the neck, baby. Oh my God, Nike Air all embroidered. And so I was like, oh man, somebody must have been sleeping on this rack. And confirmed, baby. $7. That's right, yay. Seven, bro. Look at this, you got the Chaps Ralph Lauren all red piece as well. Now this thing does have some slight little stain work, but I think it will come out. Chaps in the zippers. I mean, this is just an incredible piece. Oh my God, Clifford First skin tone color scheme. Gotta get both. I don't know why today is smacking as hard as it is, but check it out, dude. Spaghetti color scheme. Mom spaghetti. You got the Coogee-esque sweater again, heavily knit. You know what time it is? 5. Oh my God, look at this. Another one just plucked off. The striped polo piece, again, 7. You gotta be joking me, bruh. This is actually crazy. They have this dope little St. Louis Cardinals piece, Nike, but then this polo sport. Put that thing in sport, tangerine long sleeve. Oh my God, dude, the magic price of $7. Perfect pricing. Good God. This is ignorant. Bro, I love it, man. I love it. I keep checking the slept on section and finding heat. This is a ridiculous day, bro. Oh, there's a 6 suitcase over there. Okay, anyways, this is a 1903. I mean, it's not from 1903, but it is a vintage Harley Davidson crew neck right there. It's from 1992. But the cuffing, oh my gosh, the cutlet of cufflet is amazing. Neck ribboning, bottom cuffs. God, dude, come on, lob it. Oh shit. Whoopsies. Bro, like, come on, man. Tiny flag, the subtlety is smacking. Tommy for your mommy, $6. Look at that, crispy Nike Essential, that center check. New York Mets. What is it, yay? 7.
Bro.
Yo, look at these. Dude, these are sick. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get the school days one for my girl because she's a teacher and all that, educating the youth. You got Tweety, some happy graduation stees. You got the happy Valentine's Day with a Big Bird and Elmo. And then you have the St. Patty's Day, Tweety looking like Lil Kinky Twist. Damn. Bro, this is just stupid at this point. Like, why is there so much in here right now, dude? It's just dumb. Minnesota Vikings. Oh man, have to. $3. All 3 of y'all.
All 3 of y'all.
All right, guys, so I think I'm gonna cap off this store with this last final find. You guys won't believe it. $1.91, and it said, Tommy, for who? For your mommy. Literally, I could tell by the neck. It has the flag on the zipper, yellowed with age, I do admit, but then it has that nice medium-sized Tommy flag on the sleeve. Oh my God. Today has been an amazing journey. If you guys want anything that you saw in today's video, check out thriftheavenvintage.com. That's my vintage website. That is where the majority of this stuff will be going. So yeah, get at it. Link in the description, you dig. It's crazy. And all right, guys, we are out of there. Bruh, this is the most ridiculous stop. I just dropped over $100 in that store on 3 bags. I didn't even show off everything I got in there. It is absolutely redonkulous. But yeah, if you guys want to see everything I got, I'm not gonna stop and show you guys everything at home. Y'all can go to the beginning of the video, rewatch it at like 4 times the speed and peep game. But yeah, I hit a major lick in that store, as y'all can see. But yeah, thank you for watching. You guys already know what time it is. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Until next time, baby, find some fire in the trenches, or check out my website if you're lazy. Either way, I love you guys. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like I used to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.